Chawla, founder and CEO of Valour Promosales. We take immense pride in being a reliable partner in providing top-tier solar solutions to various sectors. We have a long-standing association with GoodWe since many years, built on trust and commitment towards excellence. Together, we have installed many significant projects. One of them has been the Embassy of Belgium in New Delhi. Due to the increasing energy demands of this particular plant, we had to provide them with a smart and sustainable solution. And of course, our top priority was GoodWe. We recommended GoodWe's GW36 KMT inverter, and it really worked very well. This successful installation shows the reliability and advanced technology of GoodWe inverter along with the precision and accuracy of Valour Promosales. This has been a great teamwork. As we look forward to the future, we are confident that this relationship will continue to drive sustainable energy across India.